Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect this PlayStation 4 controller to Google Chromecast TV. So let's get started. First things first, just make sure that the Google TV is turned on, and on the home page just go to the settings at the top right corner. In here just scroll down to Bluetooth. Now select the option pair remote or accessory, and it's searching for accessories. When it's searching, just come back to the controller and press and hold the share and PS button together until the light flash up. As you can see, it's flashing up now and it's ready to be paired. So wait for the Google Chromecast to recognize the device. So now you can see the wireless controller on the top right corner, and all you have to do is just select it using the remote control and it's pairing. Here, use your remote control to select the option pair, and once you're selected, it would again take a little while to get connected. Now it says paired, so now it's ready to be used and the controller is now connected to the Google Chromecast. Now you can use this controller to navigate through your TV. Let me come back to the main screen. So here I'm on the main screen. Now I can navigate through my apps or anything I want. Just like how I use the remote, I can use this alternatively. So let me try to play a game. I skipped the video and downloaded some games. So Red Bull 4, BB Racing. Let's try playing a game with this controller. It works pretty well. You can even use the remote controller, but using the PlayStation joystick controller to play this game is really fun. So let me try playing another game. Here is a racing game, my favorite game on Google Chromecast, and it works really well. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, smash that thumbs up button. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below and forget not to subscribe to the channel. I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.